Let's learn how to create a zoom blur transition in Premiere Pro. First, go to your project panel, right-click, and choose New Item Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer above your two clips on the timeline. Next, go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and add it to the adjustment layer. Move the playhead to the center point between the two clips. In Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon next to Scale under the Transform effect, and set the scale to 300. Now, move 5 frames back and click the Reset button to add a keyframe with the default scale. Then move 10 frames forward from the center and set another keyframe with the same scale. Right-click the first, left, keyframe and select Ease Out. Right-click the second, right, keyframe and select Ease In. Expand the scale graph, then drag the blue Bezier handle to the left to adjust the curve. Highlight it and drag it back to the right to smooth the transition curve like a speed ramp. Finally, scroll down in the Transform settings, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle, and set the shutter angle to 360 for a smooth motion blur effect. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.